oracle of the hills and caves. I speak for the gods. They have heard your prayers. But the children of the earth shall hear the words of the gods. The gods are not to be feared. They are not to be seen with mortal eyes, but I am the messenger of the gods, and I have done their bidding. I am Chielo, the priestess of Agbala. I bring you tales from the full moon. Memories of ancient Surugede. Maps of Uli. Sounds of our history. Morning from the intercourse of Ekwe and Udu and Ogene, heralded by Oja, the flute of Amarachi. Listen to tales from the sanctuary of incorruptible elders. Proverbs bettered under the full moon, for I speak in the language of the gods.